Alrighty, what's up? Here is my Topps Magic box, and I got this from Enigma from SCF. So I never opened this before. I think I bought a pack or something, but never a box. So see how it goes. Alright, we should have 3 hits in here. Alrighty. Classy. That's kind of neat. Awesome! Alright. Alrighty. Throw this to the side. I'll do them 3 at a time. This should be a good time here. Good old 2010 Topps Magic Football. Oops. First pack. Alright, we got Jason Witten, Ocho Cinco, Paul Hornan, Ronnie Lott, Jimmy Graham, rookie, a miniature of Tony Gonzalez, Sam Bradford, rookie, and Ricky Williams. So that's good pack. Hopefully it'll foreshadow what I'll be getting here. It's pretty nice. Alright, next pack. Jeremy Macklin, Sean Green, Armani Edwards, rookie, Kevin Kolb, or Cobb as some people call him, Jerry Hughes, miniature, Jerome Harrison, Darius Hayward, Bay, Rashard Mendenhall. But I'll throw the rookie on the front. Yeah, what, maybe 500 yards this year. Alright. Next, we got Marcus Easley, Derek Morgan, rookie, Tony Dorsett, James Starks, rookie, miniature, Toby Gerhart, rookie, Greg Olson, Paul Malu, Zach Robinson, rookie. So that is a lot of rookies. I didn't look at my Beckett before this, but I don't know what they book for. I'm sure the Bradford's probably maybe $8. I just took an uneducated guess. Alright, I think one of these will have an auto. Topps tends to be pretty good as far as mixing it up per box, but let's see. Alright, John Skelton, rookie, Carlton Mitchell, rookie, Mike Williams, rookie, Jarrett Dillard, Emmett Smith, history's best, nice, miniature of Malcolm Jenkins, Kelvin Johnson, Mario Williams. So there's a Skelton, Carlton Mitchell, good old Mike Williams. Here's the Emmett. It's kind of cool. It's a good start. Top stuff is usually the most fun to break, I think. I usually buy Topps Chrome, but I didn't this year. I bought Crown Royale, as you all can see on my first videos. I did a break on it. Alright, we got Vincent Jackson, Drew Brees, Jimmy Clausen, rookie stars insert of Rolando McClain, miniature of Barden, Brian Rackbo, Willis McGahee, Toby Gerhart. So there's the Gerhart, there's the McClain, there's the Clausen, and the rest is base. So let's see what we got in this one. I bet it's an autograph. Alright, McAllister, rookie, Gronkowski. Very nice to get an autograph of him. Rookie, Gerald McCoy, miniature, rookie. And we have some base, Massaquoi, Stewart, Duche, Brandon Gibson, Braylon. So yeah, I'll show you the Gronkowski because that's kind of the cool one. Too bad I traded away all my Gronk autographs before he kind of, crushed it this year, but what can you do? Alright. This one seemed a little thicker, maybe even crazy. All my packs are falling down, making a mess. Alright, we got Damian Williams rookie, Jennings base, Manning, Eli base, Brett Favre magical moments, and he's in a Vikings uniform, kind of ironic. Randy Moss, Ed Wang miniature rookie, Anthony Dixon rookie, Matt Forte. So here's the Favre, Williams, and the rest, meh. Alright, next up, James Hardy, nice John Elway here. Kiwanuka, magical moments, Tony Romo. Okay, we have a miniature at the black border. It's kind of cool. Taylor Price. Landry, Hushmanzada, Mayo. So, I'll show you the top two. Here's Romo, and here is good old Elway. Kind of cool. It's always nice to open a product that has kind of all-time greats, Be nice to get an autograph of one of those guys. Next up, Hakeem Nicks, Reggie Wayne, Winslow, magical moment, Sean Green. Got a miniature of Kellen Clemens, rookie Tate. That being Golden, Kyle Orton, Matt Stafford. So probably my worst pack. No offense, Sean Green, but maybe I'll pull 3 Sean Green autos. Guess it could be worse. Alright. Let's see here. This pack is really hard to open. I'm going to assume there's something in it, but I'm probably wrong. It's probably just put together crazy. Here's another pack like it. Okay. Alright, Champ Bailey base, Jacoby Ford, Brian Brom, Brandon LaFell rookie, Marcus Allen, miniature, Marshawn Lynch, Fred Jackson, Eddie Royal. So there's the Allen, and there's the rookie of good old LaFell. I might have outdid the previous pack. Alright, where's my autographs? Hit one soon. Richard Seymour, Matt Ryan, James Jones, Marshawn Lynch, Roddy White, miniature, Sammy Morris, Eric Decker rookie, Fitzgerald base. Whoa, there goes the small card. Alright, my packs are kind of going in the opposite direction here. This is a fat pack though. Alright, we got Todd Heap, Flacco, Jared Odrick rookie, Keith Rivers, CJ Spiller rookie stars, miniature Devin Thomas, then we got Slayton Roethlisberger. So although I thought this pack was a little big, I'm just crazy. I know nothing. Okay. Alright. Ed Wang rookie, Barden, William Moore. There's an autograph. I'll say what it is in a second. Alright, Massaquoi miniature, Johnny Knox, Staubach, DJ Williams. Alright, autograph is kind of meh, but here's the Staubach. The autograph, I guess, might be worse, but hopefully this is the worst one. Bernard Berrien. He's had a couple good seasons, I guess, but nice card. At least it's not damaged like the Upper Deck one I bought. Check that out in a previous video. I pulled a Patrick Willis, and of course it was dented up. But next pack, Canfield rookie, Kellen Clemens, Moreno, another autograph. Alright, Brian Rakpo miniature, Maurice Jones-Drew, Fred Biletnikoff, Brent Selleck. This autograph is garbage. Alright, here's the Biletnikoff. Cool. Alright, it doesn't get much worse than this. This dude, Cedric Pierman. When I see like the stuff people want to practically give away online, it's that dude. So hopefully I'm gonna have a good autograph, because paying like $90 for a Berrien and a Pierman auto and somebody else's stinks, that's not good. So I'm hoping those are the two junk. Alright, Phillip Rivers, Willie Parker, Aurelius Ben, Marty Gilliard. Another autograph of a garbage player. Vince Young, Joseph Adai, Mark Balder. This sucks. Look who it is. A Moby, McCoy, I don't even know, but oh man. I'm gonna have to write the tops on this one. That's not good. I'm hoping maybe there'll be another autograph. One that'll make my box worth more than $15. We'll see. Because that's pretty bad. Like, I know Panini has quality control they usually guarantee. Especially if you buy a case. Like you buy the contenders, and you'll usually get like two of like the best rookies. The one year I did it, I believe I know I got a Harvin, so it was that year, and I don't remember who the other one was. It wasn't Stafford, it wasn't Sanchez. Yeah, I don't know. All right, Brett Favre, Riley Cooper, Myron Roll, Gronkowski rookie star, Favre miniature, Burleson Jacobs, Jermaine Gresham, the checklist. So you can track your common autographs, I guess. Here's the Gronkowski. Probably worth more than the autographs I got. Alright, next up. John Carlson, Tony Romo, Colston, Colt McCoy, rookie stars. A miniature of James Jones. And we got Derek Anderson, Santana Moss, Dennis Dixon. So, there we go. And next we got Gerald McCoy, Patrick Willis, Josh Freeman. Oh gosh, Iglesias. And we got Emmitt Smith, miniature, numbered out of 50. Sadly, this is way better than the autographs. I would rather have 3 of these than the autographs I received. McNabb, Justin Gage, Tony Pike. Even a Tony Pike autograph would be sweeter. And I should probably take out this Emmett. I'll put it aside. It's kind of cool to number the small miniature cards. Maybe I have some numbered base and I just didn't check. I'll definitely check before I'm done here. I'm going to assume no. I'm going to assume it would be a different color border, but maybe not. Alrighty. Alright, we got Chester Taylor, Ray Rice, Y.A. Tittle, Magical Moments, Andre Johnson, Black Border, Ed Reed, Carson Palmer, D'Angelo Williams, Des Bryant, rookie. Here's the Bryant. There's the Andre Johnson. And here's the cool Y.A. Tittle. Awesome. Not so much, but alright. Tebow, rookie, Chad Henne, our buddy, Moby, Fred Jackson, Magical Moment, Jared Allen, Black Border, Chris Johnson, Kevin Smith, Rolando McClain, rookie. So there's the McClain. Here's Tebow, who's now a Jet, which is kind of cool. We'll see. Sanchez will probably implode, and we'll see how he does. Malcolm Jenkins, Brian Cushing, Sims Walker, Gates, LT Magical Moments, Black Border, Bernard Berrian, Shard Choice, Cedric Benson. There's the good old LT. Typically I just buy Topps Chrome. I'll buy a case. So these are my last 3 packs. And I usually do good on Topps Chrome, but that's by the case. This is pretty bad. I'm hoping for Topps' sake there's something. So yeah, Amobi Okoye, or whatever the heck his name is. And we got Berrian and Cedric Pierman. Where's the quality control on that? Alright, I'll hurry through these last packs. Alright, Anthony Gonzalez, LaShawn McCoy, Jerome Harrison, David Anderson, Aaron Rodgers, kind of mini here, Hines Ward, Chris Cooley, Rashard Jennings, Trent Edwards, Bernard Berrian, Ed Reed, Joe McKnight, Rookie Stars, Miniature Derek Morgan, Troy Aikman, Franco Harris, Joe McKnight, Rookie, Felix Jones, Robert Meacham, Mark Sanchez, Monteria Hardesty, Steve Young, Michael Jenkins, Antonio Holmes, Ray Lewis. So here we go. There's our buddy Steve Young. That was the McKnight. Here's the Franco Harris, Troy Aikman, Joe McKnight. So and here's the Aaron Rodgers. So yeah, somebody out there probably pulled my good autographs. Bernard Berrian. Pyramid. I'm gonna write the Topps because for like $90 when your best card is. If I wouldn't have gotten this, it would have been a total disaster. But definitely not worth it by a long shot. So I'll write the Topps and they'll say too bad, and I'll say okay, I'll buy Panini. But yeah, this was not a good box, but at least it wasn't your money, right? So thanks for checking it out, and have a good day, and I'm glad you watched my video, so like it. Later.